Here's how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Now, if you're on Facebook on your iPhone or your Android and you wanted to get professional mode so you can start monetizing or so that it says digital creator on your account, I'll show you exactly how to do that on both phones. So the first thing you're going to do is get to your profile. So tap on your profile at the top left where it says what's on your mind. And you can see I don't have a digital profile or a digital creator profile. However, I can get it by tapping on the three dots at the top right. Or on the iPhone, it's right next to the search glass. It's those three dots. From here, you can see it says now turn on pro mode instead of turn on professional mode. Let me tap on that on both. And then go to update your profile. You can see it didn't work on here because I'm doing it for here on the exact same one. You can choose to have a default audience of public or just friends and hit next. And you can review all of your settings. When you're good to go, just hit confirm. And you can see now I have a digital creator on my profile. I can just go through this process. And now when I get out of here, I'm going to go to my profile. And you can see if I refresh, you should be able to see digital creator pop up. Sometimes, there we go, right under there it says digital creator. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it, and thanks for watching.